Mungururio wa kambuni ya Kenya Power wa gwethana na Kenya aria mekirite thitima cia ngungo uri mweri-ini wa gatatu riu aikaria mwena wa Tasia guku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi umuthi magitigwo nduma-ini thutha wa kambuni ino kurenga thitima mwena ucio. Kuringana na murugamiriri wa kambuni ya Kenya Power Bernard Ngugi augite ni marikitie gufuta wira andu makiria maigana rimwe aria makoretwo makinyitanira na Kenya kuiya thitima, akiongerera kuga ati ni makurutithania wira na ruhonge rwa DCI niguo kuhukia thitima cia ngungo kaimana.
There must be some of our staff who are involved in this vice, which is really messing our business. And wherever we catch them, or we have very good evidence about what they are doing, we are arresting them. We are also sacking them, because you can't stay with such a person who is messing your business within. And it's important that we all be people who need to take care of this business.
Oho Ngugi neugite thitima cia ngungo ni ugwati hari muingi kuona ciaga gucungiriria mwaki, akiuria Kenya kuigiririka na oho kurihaga marihi ma thitima na njira iria ciagiriire.
Many people who are being assisted by cartels within and without are looking for ways to steal our power. And I think there is this perception that electricity is very expensive, which is not true. Perhaps at some point I'll demonstrate how cheap electricity is.
Kurengwo kwa thitima ici mwena uyu wa Tasia ni gukirirwo ni muingi na njira nene, makiuga amwe yao ni mekirite thitima uria kwagiriire, makiongerera kuga ati uhaguku wa ugitiri waga kuongerereka na njira nene.
Kutukatia stima, that means sasa sisi sijui tutaenda wapi, because now we have children wenye wanafanyanga homework na kuna venye mtoto anaweza fanya homework na Kindle.
Na kazi ya online working na ndio tegemezi langu la kipato, so imeni affect sana, manake sasa saa hii sijui nitafanya vipi ndio nikapate kipato changu cha kawaida.
Security itakuwa mbaya sana, itabidi watu waenda kwa manyumba mapema, tuseme kuanzia saa 1.
Mweri-ini wa Januari aikaria mwena wa mlango kubwa nginyagia mwena wa Air Force guko mucii wa Nairobi marengeirwo thitima kuria nginyanagia riu amwe ya aikaria ya mathite na mbere na guikara nduma-ini kuona matire maracokerio. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanjirũ wa Foro.